Good morning. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Are you drinking your water? Because I am. I know you guys are wondering why I probably have bottled water. It's because I'm gonna be on the road today. Does my contour look really extra on camera? It totally does. Does not look like that in real life, I swear. We have a few errands to run today, so we're gonna take you with us. We're gonna do a pregnancy update, a baby product update. I'm gonna show you some really like fun new products I got for the baby that I'm very excited about.
Good morning. Hi guys.
He blocked out his nips. We're gonna go to Target and then we're gonna go to Home Depot. I will see you guys there. These are my jam, the only Q-tips I use. Don't get the generic because they're not the same. Something you probably don't know about being pregnant, maybe not for everyone, but for me, is that I wear pads every day. These are the best ones. So if you're looking for like a good pad, these are my favorite. And trust me, I've tried a lot. So I've been wearing them every day for months now. You definitely really need a planner, so let's go get that. I love these sections. These are like my favorite ones. He said, do I look like a student? I said, yeah.
Go to class.
With your pads.
Got Starbies.
And your lashes. So I just got a coffee, and normally I don't drink coffee because I feel like it makes me have contractions or like makes my irritable uterus like even worse. But I got one today because I have a lot of filming to do. So I get like really weird looks when I buy coffee and I look this pregnant.
I would give you bad looks too.
So I like to have Travis get my coffee, but today I went and got it myself because I was feeling brave. And the first thing she did was look down at my belly. I feel so judged.
Hey, hey, I will survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I will survive.
No, I know I'll stay alive.
As long as I have love, I know I'll stay alive.
Oh my goodness. Okay, are you going in
you
now?
have to talk with your eyes.
Oh. You crack me up. Alright, honey, don't do that in the Home Depot. You might get some weird looks.
What?
Love you. I bought this thing because when we go on long road trips, I like to be able to block out the sun that's like beating on me for hours at a time. And normally I use these little guys, which are actually work really well, and they're really inexpensive. Travis actually got them for me as a gift one year. But I saw this and I was like, oh, this would be great for the baby when she comes, and also for me until she comes, like when we're driving a lot. So I decided to put this on my window. Are you freaking kidding me? It doesn't even like go very, like I tried to like stretch it, and like this part I feel like should go straight so it blocks the sun here, but it doesn't. So I would not really recommend this, guys. It looks cool, and these things are made like really nice, but it just, I don't feel like it's, look at the window and then look what it's blocking. It doesn't do a very good job in my opinion. Like this one at least blocks from the top to the bottom, and then you can get like a second one to put over here if you needed to. So I like these better. Since I'm just waiting in the car, I thought I'd give you guys a little pregnancy update, and then I'll take you into the nursery in a little bit when we get home and show you some of the weird stuff that we do when we're in the nursery, and also some cool new baby products I got in. But I wanted to just update you guys. I am 23 weeks and let me just check my app. I'm 23 weeks and 4 days pregnant, so almost 24 weeks. We're pushing 24 weeks. And how am I feeling? Well, I feel baby kick all the time, so that's really nice. I have been starting to have to pee a lot more at night. I've been obsessed with eating fruit, which normally before I was pregnant, I did not like eating fruit very much. I'm just not a fruit girl, but being pregnant, I am definitely a fruit girl. I go to the grocery store and I grab all the fruit. Travis is like, are you gonna eat all of that? And I'm like, yeah. What else? As far as like symptoms go, I've definitely been feeling like more achy, like my back is really sore. On top of just like my regular back pain, I can tell the difference because the pregnancy back pain is actually up more in like my mid back, I feel like is where it bothers me, as opposed to like my lower back. And that's new for me. I never had that before I was pregnant. So definitely feeling that. I also, this is so weird, but like my legs and like thighs and hips get really like weak almost. Like they feel weak, like they're gonna just like give out on me. And I think it's just the extra added weight from the pregnancy. And also like they say that all your like ligaments and everything like loosen up. So I feel that when I'm like walking around. And then yesterday my stomach was like hard all day. I honestly thought I was having like a irritable uterus contraction like that just lasted all day, but thankfully it went away today. And my doctor said like it's fine, you know, just rest or whatever. So I rested yesterday, and then I woke up and I was feeling better, but I do have to take it easy. Like I can't walk around a lot or I'd get these contractions, and I just really have to stay hydrated. I should not be drinking coffee. That's like something I definitely should not be doing. But like I said, I don't do it every day. I only do it on the days like I really feel like I need it. And then I make sure to drink extra water those days because the coffee does dehydrate you. Making sure to get enough protein in. Other than that, like I feel great. I'm trying to think of other symptoms. Oh, my boobs have been acting really strange. Like my nipples and stuff, they feel like not stingy, but like, I don't know how to explain the feeling. It just feels like something's happening. Like they're kind of sore and achy and like, but not sore and achy. I'm like literally the worst person at explaining how like I'm feeling. It just feels funny and odd, like my boobs. Like I feel like they're doing stuff. They're definitely doing stuff. For those of you guys that don't watch my main channel pregnancy updates, this is kind of like a 23-week update for you guys, but not as detailed as the ones on my main channel because those are like 20 minutes long, like literally just talking about pregnancy stuff. Oh yeah, so I got really dizzy earlier in my 23 weeks, like so dizzy to the point where I had to like sit down on the floor, but that's totally normal, like pregnancy thing. My boobs are also so massive and huge and like very veiny, and my stomach is starting to get veiny. Chunks of my hairs are still falling out, and I also have like mild swelling in my fingers and toes, and I'm getting acne on my shoulders. So welcome to the life of pregnancy. You get some good stuff, honey?
Huh?
Did you get some good stuff?
I did. Smoke alarms.
Fun.
With the smoke alarms is that it detects and lets you know when there's a fire. Problem is I'm on fire.
Oh,
and
my.
it's always going off.
Those dad jokes though.
I gotta practice my dad jokes. So those are PG appropriate dad jokes that are really good actually. They're very funny. If you didn't laugh, then there might be something wrong with your sense of humor, because it was pretty good, I gotta say.
Like real life though, we've been working on trying not to curse very much because Travis and I like have a bit of a potty mouth sometimes, and well, he's worse than I am.
Are you kidding me?
No,
I am not.
You are.
Oh, farfig Nugan.
He cusses a lot in front of my family and my sisters, and I think it's like really.
Oh, hogwash.
It's. And I get so mad at him when he does that.
That's a bunch of bull dookie.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, I was trying to teach him manners to not cuss around women because that's like just proper manners. But and then my dad like really doesn't like when we cuss.
When women cuss.
No, he doesn't like when guys do either. He just wasn't gonna say that to you. But we've been trying to work on our profanity because for one, it doesn't sound good like cussing is just not cute. Like it doesn't sound good coming out of your mouth. But before I just didn't care, and now I do because we're gonna have a daughter, and I don't want her first word to be like mom. You know. So Travis about to spill some tea. Spill that tea, honey.
So we pulled up, and this lady first of all, like first off, the gas station is like crazy right now. Shannon will put in a clip right here. Anyway, so this lady, we pulled up and she's sitting in front of the gas pump and she's eating. And I'm like, okay, well maybe she just finished pumping her gas. She's grabbing something as she's gonna go. She's sitting in her car still the whole time. I get out of my car, I do my whole transaction. I start pumping gas. I'm pumping gas for a while. Then I finally see her get out.
Hold on, honey, this person's coming out.
Look at this. It's like crazy.
People are nuts. Okay, go ahead.
So then I'm like halfway through pumping my gas after doing my transactions. Then she gets out, she's talking to her kids, she's like, I'm right here, I'm right here. And then she gets ready to pump her gas and goes back in the car, does something, Then she goes back out again, then starts pumping her gas. She's been sitting there this whole time, and there's like literally like 3 cars lined up behind each gas pump. I don't know, it just seems very rude to me. I feel bad for like the person sitting around like waiting, like, you know, for that. Please be kind to me.
Quick little Target haul. I'll show you guys what I got. I got these Studio Ardell wispy lashes. I'm just trying to find the ones I've been wearing. I don't know if these are them, so we'll find out. I also got these. Oh my gosh, you guys, Travis picked these out because I have all this blonde like facial hair and he doesn't like it. So he was like, oh, check this thing out. I think it was like him hinting like, get rid of that facial hair. I've never tried this. It looks so painful. If you guys have tried this, let me know. I'm thinking I might do like a video testing it out. So I bought that. I also got the Q-tips. These are the only ones I use. I got my pads or panty liners, and then I also ended up getting this for a planner. So yeah, that was everything I got at Target. Put your feet up. Go back. Oh yeah, girl. And then here, I'll give you a little bottle so you can practice.
Oh, my hands are really like super.
Okay, these have to be sanitized still anyways. Here you go. Feed the baby. With your little Como Tomo bottle. No, you can't, you don't breastfeed. This is for the baby. Do you want to give her a security blanket while she's nursing? You can't fall asleep with it though.
You can't?
No, because you don't want to suffocate her accidentally. This is Travis practicing feeding the baby. No, but you can't go to sleep. Honey, he's taking over my glider. This chair is awesome. By the way, okay, I have a question because this, can you move your feet, baby, so I could show them? We bought this display.
It's a display,
it was like
floor model.
Yeah, it was a display floor model and it's kind of dirty. Not that part, but this part. Is there any way I can wash this, or how would I clean it, like spot clean it? Let me know in the comments because I'm not good at that. By the way, little sneak peek, we got our changing table / dresser together and we got it at Target. This one's really cool because this comes off, like the changing table part comes off, and then it's just a regular dresser, which I think is nice because she'll be able to use this furniture when she's older. What do you think about that?
I like the sound of that.
We also...
It's nice. I think like it could have been made a little bit more precise, but you know, it is what it is.
Yeah. And also we got some goodies in from Docatot, which I'm very excited about. And then we got like the Binksy baby hammock. We got the Ollie Swaddle. Let me show you guys. Got some fun stuff. The Ollie Swaddle comes in this really cute little box, and how cute is this? You can even keep it as like a keepsake box. So this is a swaddle and it's like Velcro, which is like really nice. And then it also comes with like this really nice little washing case. I don't know what you call that. Washing case. And then here is the Binksy baby hammock. It's for your shopping cart, so it looks like that. My friend Jenna, her baby Battelle, she used this for, and she said she loved it. So I'm excited about that. And then everyone loves the Docatot. Like honestly, I've heard nothing but good things. All my friends that have kids are like, you have to get one of those. They're a lifesaver. So I'm really glad I got that. I got I showed this on my Instagram story, but in case you didn't see it, this is the cover like it came with, and then I got an extra one. So it comes with a lot of like really cool looking different covers that you can get for it, but I just got the white one. And then I also got the traveling bag for it, which is this right here, and it looks like that right there, which is really cool. And then we got the little hanging toy arch thing that goes around it. We also got a bunch of goodies in from Baby Bum. If you guys are looking for like a plant-based, cruelty-free, and vegan skincare company, or just like, I guess, I don't know, baby products, they have sunscreen, they have bubble bath, they have shampoo and wash, They have like a lavender calming lotion and just like a regular lotion. They have coconut balm, hand sanitizer, stick sunscreen, chapsticks, and this is for your hair. It's called Shine On. They have really great stuff. It smells amazing. It's like, you know, good for the environment. It doesn't have a bunch of like harmful chemicals, so definitely would recommend them. So I'm excited to have all this all ready for her when she comes. And yeah, this is kind of what the nursery is looking like so far, guys. Little nursery update for you, and some little baby product haul. Travis has got the Komotomo bottles, which are so cool, by the way. I don't know if you guys have seen those. I'm sure you have, but he's pretending like he's pumping. I don't know if you guys can tell he's like pumping the bottle. So these Komotomo bottles are really neat. So this is the box that it comes in. Looks like that. And it's like BPA free, but it like mimics a boob or a breast. I don't like saying breast, but you know what I mean. And so the baby can, like, you know, smash it, and it's nice for if you're breastfeeding, for the dads or the moms if you have to, you know, put breast milk in here or formula feed for some reason. It's supposed to be good for the baby. So again, a lot of really good reviews I've heard for these, and Travis is having fun here. Do you want a second one? He thinks that he's pretending to be the mom and milk. He's so funny. Anyway, so that's what we've been doing. Trav spent a good amount of time putting this together because I guess it didn't have
they always take a while to put together these things.
And then I think this is the Munchkin Diaper Genie. My friend Serene sent this to me. So if you're watching, thanks, Serene. And her husband, they're so sweet. So yeah, that's kind of what everything is looking like in here.
We'll put the crib together tomorrow or the next day.
Sounds good, babe. Hey girl, hey. I'm looking fabulous. But I just wanted to end the vlog because I'm editing it right now on the couch over there, and I realized I didn't finish the vlog. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video. That helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, all that fun stuff. Sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and hope to see you in the next video.